Alright, so this is a this is the Dragon Frog with Vista, and I'm running 700 milliwatts now, and I'm going to try and keep it at 50 megabits here, just to give you an idea of what it's like. It's going to be hard to see on YouTube because of YouTube compression, but just to me it looks better in the goggles at 50 megabits versus 25 megabits. Still at 50 megabits. Yeah, I think at 700 milliwatts, it's probably gonna have 50 megabits for a fair amount of distance. I'm still at 50 megabits. Yeah, the image is really nice. Alright, let's turn around here. Now my bitrate's dropping. I just dropped it. I saw 47 for a second. 44. So normally I'd be like down in the below 25, like 20 something here. I still have 50, so having that extra bitrate really makes a big difference in terms of the image quality. Kind of down low to the ground here. I'm going away. Still 50 megabits. $49. Yeah, when you still have a strong signal like this at higher power, you're just going to have a clean image for long distances. Or further away than before, that's for sure. When you just look at this grass here, it does look a little bit muddied with all that glare, but it just looks so much cleaner now. You can just pick up a lot more details. That bench there. Still at 50 megabits. Go behind all this metal here, this metal fence. Let's see how the bitrate does here. Yeah, it's dropped right there. Now I'm at 12. It's all that metal in the way. 20. Still have control. As soon as I pop out on this side, back up to about 40 something. Yeah. Anyway, little extra footage at 50 megabits. What do you guys think?